Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jay Patel and I am a certified physician assistant here at MyFitMed. Here I cover multiple topics to improve your overall health and fitness, and the topics may include hormones, vitamins, weight loss, and overall lifestyle changes. The goal is not to treat you but to educate you to help you get in the best shape of your life. Enjoy the video. Relationship between allergy medication and erectile dysfunction. So recently, a lot of my male patients has asked me that during the allergy season, they are having poor erection, and if there is any correlation between allergies and erection. So there is no direct correlation between the disease itself and the quality of erection that you have. But the issue can be because of the medication or over-the-counter medication that you take to relieve the symptoms of allergies. Now, the most common symptoms that happen during allergy season is nasal congestion, and we take nasal decongestant. The most common one is Sudafed. The way Sudafed works is by constricting the arteries in your nose to relieve that congestion. Constriction of artery, meaning narrowing of blood vessels, leads to poor blood flow, but it relieves the symptoms of nasal congestion. Now, when Sudafed causes the constriction of vessels in your nose, it may also cause the constriction of vessels in your penis, which may ultimately lead to poor blood flow in your penis, leads to poor erection. Other medication like antihistamine may also affect, but the most common one that affects the erection during allergy season is Sudafed, which is used as nasal decongestant. So if you're suffering from chronic allergies, and if those allergy medications are causing you to have the symptoms of erectile dysfunction or poor erection, talk to your medical provider. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something about optimizing your overall health. Talk to your medical provider before starting any treatment. Let us know what other topics you want me to cover. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe for more videos.